Hey, buddy. What you doing? Oh. Hey. Anything going on here? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Let me open the door. All right. Throw it in there. Throw the apple in there, too. See what they do. Oh, go back in.
Watch it. Good. Good.
You want to slide? Yeah. I told Daddy yesterday that you needed one of those, and he said, you know, the problem I have with plastic stuff is it breaks all the time. And I'm like, yeah, but yeah, but look at, I'm gonna show her this. I'm gonna show him this and be like, but look at how much fun she's having. Yeah, you can slide. No?
Go.
Man.
You got this. Go on your belly.
No. Do you get scared?
You want me to do it?
No. You want to jump? Yeah, jump. Okay. I think he'd be more willing to get one of those, actually. Oh, you go first.
Where are they going?
Just on the table, and for now is fine. Yeah.
Ladies, it's chilly out here, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
They like your lettuce idea. Just go up there.
Oh,
Over here. Or not lettuce.
that was the radish greens?
Yeah, the radish greens.
Yeah, no, I also gave them half a cucumber.
I'm gonna give them a little bit of meal warm.
Oh, yeah, I did that last night, but yeah.
Yeah, but they didn't like your stuff, so maybe let them
I gave them half a cucumber and they like that.
See, be distracted from Mama while she does.
I just want to play tag.
Don't tackle him. So my little dog, Lexi, she's a Yorkshire Terrier. She is an adventuring dog. And she managed to get out yesterday and I couldn't find her. So we posted her on local lost and found sites and different area Facebook pages, and somebody had posted that they had picked up a Yorkie and took her to the SPCA. So I'm just trying to keep myself busy until the SPCA opens at 11. It's 9:30 in the morning right now. I'm tired. I didn't sleep well. I'm worried about my dog. I've had her for 10 years. Today is not great. So I realized that I never updated you about my Yorkie, Lexi. She was at the SPCA, and I was able to get her out and get her home, and she's safe. And apart from being smelly and a little bit tangled, she's no worse for wear. So we gave her a bath, let her brush out, and she's fine now. So something super exciting happened today. I decided to go ahead and move the quail into a bigger crate. I used my dog's crate and put sand on the bottom and move the whole crate in this doorway here so that they could get some better light and sun. And I will show you their little setup here in just a second. But look at this. I got my very first quail egg. In fact, I got my very first egg ever because my chickens don't lay yet. This is so exciting. I'm so completely over the moon that I've got this tiny egg. I'm so excited. So let me show you where I moved them to. Okay, so this is, don't mind the mess behind this, but this is my big dog's crate. And this is temporary, but they were in the purple chick brooder, and it felt cramped for them, I thought. So I moved them over and I put sand on the bottom, and I'm really glad I did, just because it's keeping bedding out of their water, it's keeping bedding out of their food, and it's, I don't know, easier to clean. And this little beauty was just sitting right on top of the sand, right here in the corner. And it was just easy to spot. I came over here and I was looking, and there it was. So hopefully these little girls and one boy, I guess the boy won't be, but hopefully these little girls keep laying for me,